What happens during an asylum hearing in US immigration court? Imagine sitting in a quiet courtroom, sharing your story with someone who has the power to change your future. That's what an asylum hearing is all about. During this part of the immigration process, the person seeking protection explains why they fear returning to their home country. This hearing is called the individual or merits hearing, and it is a key step in applying for asylum in the United States. The hearing is private and usually includes only the asylum seeker, the immigration judge, the judge's clerk, the government attorney, an interpreter if needed, and any witnesses the asylum seeker invites. The asylum seeker gets to tell their story about why they are afraid of persecution or harm. They can also present evidence like documents, affidavits, or witnesses to support their claim. It's important to submit all evidence properly and update the application at the start of the hearing if there are any mistakes or new information. The immigration judge listens carefully to the asylum seeker's story and reviews the evidence. The judge's job is to decide if the person meets the legal definition of a refugee. This means they have a well-founded fear of persecution based on their race, religion, nationality, membership in a social group, or political opinion. The judge asks questions to clarify details and make sure they understand the case fully. The government attorney, who represents the United States, also questions the asylum seeker and presents arguments against granting asylum. This back and forth helps the judge see all sides of the case. The hearing usually lasts about an hour but can be longer if the case is complex. After hearing everything, the judge makes a decision. They can either approve the asylum request or deny it. If approved, the person can stay in the United States and eventually apply for a green card. If denied, there may be options to appeal or seek other forms of relief. Having a lawyer or legal representative can make a big difference. They help prepare the case, gather evidence, and explain the legal process. Many asylum seekers from Middle Eastern countries face language and cultural challenges, so an interpreter and a knowledgeable lawyer are very helpful. Remember, this hearing is a chance to tell your story clearly and honestly. Preparing well and understanding what to expect can help you feel more confident. It's a vital part of the journey to find safety and start a new life in America.